Good morning to everyone. Once again, welcome to Social Science class. In this class, we are going to see the 7th chapter of civics. So, I request you, please take your textbook and a notebook to copy down the important point from this presentation. Let's proceed. Point number 1, chapter number 7. Here we are going to see urban administration. In our previous class, we had seen rural administration. In that, we had seen how the rural area is managing their administrative areas. Now we are going to see about the urban administration. In that, the following topics we are going to see. First, introduction of this chapter. After that, the ward councillor and the administrative staff. And lastly, we will have a short story of the Gangabai, in which we will see about how the community is protesting related to their well-being and to get the facility well in their society. First, by this picture you can understand about that few children are playing here. Street is here and few children are playing. And if you are observing clearly, so you are observing one street light is here and one boy has shot it and they are playing cricket. So the street light is broken. So this is the scenario, this is the scene, right? Now, what happens after that when the street light is broken? The children are confused. They don't know to whom to pay this money because this street light belongs to the municipal corporation of government, right? The story flow like this. Yes, a city is much bigger than a village and more spread out. A city has crowded markets, many buses and cars, water, electricity, traffic control and hospitals. Have you ever wondered who is responsible for running all this? So as you all are aware about that, if you are residing in a city area, so municipal corporation or municipality is taking care. That's we are calling Nagar Palika, or in a bigger city is called as Mahanagar Palika. Next, who are the people who do all the work? We are going to read in this chapter and find out the answer. Who is planning to do all these things? Who is making decision for all these things? So children are playing. One lazy Sunday they are playing, or Monday we are going to check out in this story. First, on a lazy Sunday afternoon, Mala and her friends Shankar, Jahangir, Rihanna were playing a game of cricket in the street. Shankar has bowled a good over the... Although he nearly managed to get Rihanna out, she was still batting. Frustrated, he bowled a short ball and hoped she would have hit up so for an easy catch. Instead, Rihanna hit the ball and so hard, so high that the street light broke. So the street light has been, the children are playing on the street and the street light has been broken. Now what's after that? Rihanna screamed, "Oh no, look what I have done." Shankar said, "Yes, we forgot to make a rule that if you break the street lights, you are automatically out." Next. But Mala, Jahangir, Rihanna were more worried about what has happened and they told Shankar he had better stop thinking about the wicket. Last week they had broken Nirmala's mossy window and from their pocket money they had paid to repair it and dish out the money again from their pockets. But who would they pay to this? To whom the light on the street belongs? Who changed them? Rihanna's house was closest. They ran to told her mother what has happened. So Rihanna's house was near. So all the children moved there to find out to whom to pay the money. Right? As they paid to Nirmala Mossy from their own pocket money because they had broken their window glass. Moving further. Rihanna's mother said, "I don't really know these things in a great detail, but I do know that it is the municipal corporation." Please make a note of this municipal corporation of the city that takes care of replacing light. The best person to ask would be Yashmin Khala. And why Yasmin Khala? Because recently she was retired from the municipal corporation. She was doing job over there. She just retired from the municipal corporation. Go and ask her and Rihanna come back home soon. Yasmin Khala lived in the same line and she and Rihanna's mother were good friends. The children ran to Khala's house and when she opened the door, they began to tell her what has happened. And all at once, when they asked her about the street line, Yasmin's Khala laughed and said, what she said? Let's see. There is no one person or not a single person is available. You can pay the money to their big organization called municipal corporation that take care of the street light, garbage collection, water supplies, keeping the street and the market clean. Whatever the line I am reading, that's a work done by the municipal corporation. So an examination question will come about that. What are the role and responsibility of municipal corporation? In that you can frame this answer, right? Next, we heard about the municipal corporation. They have put up a sign around the city, inform people about malaria and Setmala. Yes, you are quite right. The municipal corporation is also responsible for ensuring that disease do not break out in the city. This is also one of the function, role and responsibility of municipal corporation. It also runs school, hospital, dispensary and makes the guardian and maintain them, said Yasmin Khala. Then she added our city, Pune is a big city and so here it is called as municipal corporation. In a small town it is called as municipal council. Okay, in a small town it is called municipal council. In a big city it is called as municipal corporation. Next topic, the ward, councillor and administrative staff. Yasmin Khala, I am curious. Who decide where a park should go? Did you have to make interesting decision like this when you work in a municipal corporation? Right? Then, no Rihanna, I was working in an account office, the corporation, so I just work on a pay slip. Cities are usually quite larger, so municipal corporation has to make a lot of decision as well as to do lots of work to keep the city clean. The decision like where a park or a new hospital should go are usually made by the ward councillors. The city is divided into different ward and ward councillor get elected. They compile decision and affect the entire city are taken by the group of councillor who forms the committee to decide and debate issue. For example, if a bus stand needs to be improved or a crowded market place needs to have its garbage cleared more regularly, there is a nala or drain cut through the city that needs to be cleaned. It is the committee for the water, garbage collection, street light, etc. the decision on which they are supposed to debate, discuss and after that they will work for the society, work for the peoples. So here every city is divided into ward and their ward councillors are elected right due to the procession of election and after that they are doing good job in favor of the people. When the problems are within a ward, then the people live in the ward can contact to their councillor. For example, if there are danger electricity wire hanging out and then the local council can then get in touch with the electricity authority. While the councillor committee and the councillor decided on the issue, the commissioner and the administrative staff implement these. Commissioner and administrative staff implement these. The commissioner and the administrative staff are appointed, councillors are elected. So how are these decisions made? Ask Rihanna who never gave up on a train of thought. Children are keep on asking the question to Yasmin Khala and trying to know more about administrative staff and how they are managing their affairs. Next, well, all of the ward councillor meet and they make a budget and the money is spent according to them. So, whatever the money will be there, they will first plan and after that they are going to spend on that particular issue. The ward councillor try and ensure the particular demands of their wards are placed before the entire council. And these all decisions are implemented by the administrative staff stated by Yashmin Kala. Enjoying the question that the children asked, no adult asked her about her job, and children's questions provide her an opportunity to relive some of her experience, because already she is retired from the job, so she is memorizing her experience and speaking to them. But the city is so large, it must take a lots of people to look after. Does the municipal corporation have a lots of workers? Asked Shankar curiously. He had by now luckily forgotten about the cricket match and his incompleted homework. Yes, the work in the city is divided into different departments. So there is a water department, garbage collection department, department of look after of garden and other. That means on the roads. I worked on the account in the sanitation department, right? Said Yashmin Khala, then went to offer the children some kebabs to eat. Kebab is a dish to eat, so she offered kebab for them. Jahangir ate his kebab at top speed, and as he wolfed them down, he was louder from the kitchen. Yashmin Khala's were just the garbage that the municipal corporation collect go to. The other was still eating when Yashmin Khala began to answer. The question has an interesting answer. As you know, you can usually find the garbage lying all over the street. Yashmin Khala, she is explaining. Earlier, even our neighborhood used to have garbage lying all over, and if they remain uncollected, it attracts dog, rat and house rat, which can spread the diseases. So it's going to be a serious. Also, people felt ill from the smell. At one point, things become so bad that the children even stop playing cricket in the street because their parents were afraid that they will become sick by this kind of unhygienic, unhealthy condition. Next, in this story, as we are seeing here, the garbage lying here and there, right? Just Yashmin Khala, she is speaking. So like that, a community protest we are going to see. Please check out this. So in this point, we are going to see about a community protest. Yashmin Khala continued. The woman was very unhappy about the situation and even come to me for advice. I said I could try and speak some officer in the department, but I wasn't sure how long would it take to do that work. Then it was Gangabai who said that it is the ward councillor who we should go to and protest, since we are the ones who elected them. We already elected him, and now we should go towards him and we should request and protest related to this issue. She gathered a small group of women and went to his house. They began shouting slogan in front of his house and came out and asked them what was wrong. So now they are speaking. Gangabai described the situation in the locality to him. He promised to go with them and the next day go to meet to the commissioner. He asked Gangabai to get a petition signed by all the adults living in the locality that the garbage was not being collected. He suggested that taking the local sanitation engineer with them the next day might be good idea. The sanitation engineer could also speak with the commissioner and tell him how bad situation was. That evening, children ran from the house too. Ran from house, making sure that as many families as possible signed. The next morning, a large group of women and the ward councillor and the sanitation engineer went to the municipal corporation office. The commissioner met with this large group and began giving excuses, saying that the corporation did not have enough truck to remove the garbage. But Gangabai smartly replied, "But you seem to have enough truck to collect the garbage from the rich locality." She already stated the comparison between the rich people and the poor people. How the facility We only elected, and now you are refusing to do the proper arrangement for this useless garbage. That must have left them lost for the words with Jahangir. Yes, he said that he would take care of it, and immediately Gangabai threatened that if was not done, in 2 days a large group of women will protest in front of the corporation, said Yashmin Khala. So did the street get clean? Asked Rihanna, who never let things remain unfinished. Well, not within 2 days, and then after another large or more noisy protest, the sanitation service in these localities become more regular. Wow, this sounds just like a Bollywood movie with a happy ending, said Mala, who already began imagining herself in the lead role of Gangabai. See here the story how the children are placing themselves in the place of Gangabai and taking a lead role to do the good work for the society. Next, the children enjoyed hearing Gangabai's story immensely. They had sensed that Gangabai was much loved and respected, and now they understand why. They got up and thanked Khala for answering their question, and then they before left. Rihanna said, "Oh, I have one last question, Khala. The two dustbins that we have to at home now, are they also Gangabai's idea?" Khala began laughing. "No, not really. The municipal corporation was the one who suggested that we do the thing to keep helping the people. And when we sort out their garbage, it reduced their work." The children thanked Khala and walked back down the street together. I had become quite late and they needed to get back home. Some reason the street seemed dark than usual. They looked up and looked to each other smiling and ran right back to Khala's house. So here we finish the story. In that we had seen how the children were having lots of questions when they had broken the street light, to whom to pay, how much to pay, and what all the process is there. We understood in this story by the children were playing on the street and how the children are too honest to repay the money to repair the light. Next, children, now we are going to see about the question answer. So question number first is here for you. Please see the question properly. Why did the children go to Yashmin Khala's house? Okay. So the answer is here. Already we had seen the children broke the street light while playing cricket, as it is replacement was beyond their reach. They were very much upset. They didn't know whom did the street light belong. They went to Rihanna's mother first, and then she stated about that you go to Yashmin Khala because recently she is retired. You can minimize this answer, read the chapter properly, then frame your answer, and please take a photograph and send me on WhatsApp. Next, list out 4 ways in which the work of the municipal corporation affect the life of the city dweller. So we are going to have the discussion on the work done by the municipal corporation. So these are the work already I stated to you when I was just reading the paragraph. So municipal corporation is affecting. So first work, cleaning and lighting of the street light. Then supply of safe drinking water, supply of electricity, traffic control, garbage collection and disposal, school, hospital and sanitation facility. This is given in the textbook also. You please refer the paragraph, short out the answer from that, then write. Question number 3. Who is municipal councillor? So already we have seen a municipal corporation is an elected representative of ward, is also known as ward councillor. Next question for you. 4th, what did Gangabai do and why? Already we have seen a community protest in the story. Gangabai collected a small group of the women because of unhygienic condition of their street. Garbage was overflowing, rats, housefly and street dogs were attracting and diseases can be spreaded. Gangabai collected a large number of women and went to municipal corporation commissioner along with the ward councillor to protest against the garbage dumps all over the street. You can frame your own answer. How does the municipal corporation earn the money to do so? So this is the paragraph here. Please see on page number 59. How does a municipal corporation get its money? From this paragraph only you have to extract the answer from this paragraph. I am pointing to this paragraph. Page number 59. From there only I have extracted the answer and the answer is here. Okay, you have to write in point wise. The slide is short, that's why I had kept like in paragraph. Next, moving further, these all questions are over. How does a municipal, last year one photograph is here, right? You can see this photograph in your textbook and discuss points are there. Photograph number 2 discuss. These two you just read it and keep it with you only. After that, in that the city of Surat has plaques here. This also you have to read. This fill in the blanks is there on page number 59. You have to do it. Okay. And finally, we have finished this chapter. I request you all, please write the question answer, take the photograph and send me on the WhatsApp. It's compulsory to understand me also. My children are studying, watching the video and doing the homework properly. Thanking to each and everyone. Jai Hind.